Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Lolerai from Santiago of the Seas. But today we're going to draw her as a mermaid. So get your marker and follow along with me. I'm going to start with a little button nose. And I'm just going to make a little A shape, like this. And then right beside it, we're going to start with the eyes. Usually I draw the bottom side of the eye first. And I try to do the same on the other side as well. So we're going to start right here, we're going to just bring it back. And then I'm going to make it round on top. And let's do this with this one as well. And we'll make it nice and round on top. Now it's time for the eye, for the pupils. And then an iris. A light reflection on top. A light reflection below. On this side we're going to draw another pupil. The iris, and we'll draw two light reflections there as well. Now right above the eye, we're going to draw the eyelashes, and I'm just going to make 3 little lashes and connect it back to the eye, and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Eyelash, 3, and connect it back. Now let's fill the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right below, we're going to draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a little smile. And then a top lip. And right below, we're going to draw some teeth. So I'm just going to draw a little line of teeth there. And sort of an open mouth. And then of course, the bottom lip. Now from the sides of the eyes, we can draw the jawline. I'm going to start here. I'm going to now draw a jawline going through, and I'll connect it back to the eyelashes. And on this side I'm going to draw a little ear sticking out with a little inside there. Now from top we're going to start drawing the hair. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a nice curve, connect it back there. And on this side I'm going to do the same, a nice curve down, and I'm going to connect it to the ear on that side. And then I can continue because it's locks of hair that she has, so we're just going to draw a few locks, be touching right there, and then maybe a last one here on top, like that. Now right below the hair there's some eyebrows. So there's an eyebrow sticking out, and maybe there's another eyebrow. Now I want to continue with the body. We'll come back to the hair a bit later. I'm going to draw the neck like this. And from here I'm just going to draw a straight line to the hair, and from this side another straight line. And that would be a torso. Maybe just a little necklace going around. And now we're going to draw the body. And I'm just going to draw a nice curve like this. And on this side, I'm just going to draw a longer curve like that. Now I'm going to follow through, and I'm going to make a mermaid tail. Right down there, I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to make a fin like that. And I'm going to stop right there. And on this side, I'm going to continue nice and round. And I think I'll make a fin like this. And there's the fins. Now we can do a pattern. So I'm just going to draw a little upside down V shape. Here we can draw another line. And we can maybe make a round little belt area. There we go. And maybe we can do some textures here as well. So I will just draw a few shapes like this. And maybe a little triangle inside there as well. And from here, it looks like there are some stripes on her lower body. Or maybe another piece coming out there. Good. And now we can go back to the arms. So on this side I'm going to draw the arm, a shoulder, and little arm sticking out. And on this side do the same thing and copy the lines. Then I'm just going to draw the little arms. There's one, and there's another little arm. And now for the hands. So I'll just draw small little fingers and a thumb. Maybe small fingers and a thumb. Good. And now we can finish up with the ear. So I'll start on this side first. So maybe we can just draw a lock sticking out like this, and maybe a second one as well. There we go. And then on this side, let's do the same. I'm going to start with the ear. I'm just going to draw a lock, and I'm sort of going to continue a pattern. Maybe like this. Draw a smaller one there, and maybe 2 locks going up there as well. And now we can complete the hair on top. And maybe we can do this, and then maybe something on top. And there's Lorelai. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors. And thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.